First, visit us at www.sherwoodford.ca. Next, click or tap on Book Service. If you've already registered, log in and manage your account. For returning customers, we can quickly look you up to get started. And for new customers, choose your vehicle manufacturer and the year. We'll demonstrate this option and click Tap to get started. Next, you'll choose your model, the trim, and be sure to enter the mileage. To book a specific date and time, you'll need to tell us what service or repair your vehicle may need. Plus, if you're not sure after making the selection, simply tell us what you think the vehicle needs checked. Then click or tap on Next. The appointment is ready to be booked. First, choose your transportation options of either dropping off your vehicle or you need a courtesy shuttle ride when dropping off. Now, select the date and the time from the available slots. Then click or tap on Next. Before completing the booking, please enter your contact information. Then click or tap Book It. We'll receive an email notification of your requested appointment. One of our service advisors will contact you 24 hours before the appointment to go over the details and to confirm the appointment.